Here he is.
Done?
Yeah.
Oh!
Well, finished way off to Scotland.
That's it now. That's it now.
I need fucking sausages. Yeah.
Family on the road. Ryan.
We're finally on the road.
Exactly.
We're off. Now, we've picked up Harry.
I'm not even recording.
Yes, I am, aren't
Oh, yeah.
I? Ha ha! Shut up! Ha ha! And Harry's occupation is part-time dog groomer. Is that alright, Harry?
Yeah, I love dogs.
I love dogs. Dogs of my life.
Dogs.
Off. Start quick cap.
I forgot that. Yo, to be fair, man's full of footage. Yo. Yo, Scotland, there we go.
fucking drag one of them through.
Yeah, well, that's what we were doing last time. We were
Dragging them through.
dragging the gin into the gob.
Nice.
That's not that bad without off, you know, lads. Not actually that bad at all.
Now we're walking.
Trick.
Get his face!
Get him!
Attack him!
Yeah, it's not when you move.
Yeah, so you stood still. Oh yeah.
Oh, we stop.
There's a gate down here. There's a gate down there.
Unless we're going to just jump in down.
Straight through water.
Straight through. You know we do.
Then you've had 72.
What through it?
You are?
What through it?
I can't, mate.
Why?
So that's why.
Oh no, I do feel a bit girly.
What, yeah?
With the no, with the net. I feel like I should let him suck me.
What are you letting them suck?
Let him suck my face. Because that's all I can reach.
Till they natch onto your sack.
Oh, that was close. I nearly went to spit.
Yeah.
Oh, I spat in my net.
So,
A genie,
in a bottle.
my mate, right, he opens up his lamp in his loft.
In a bottle?
Genie pops out. Yeah.
Start again.
My mate
Yeah.
was searching through his loft
Yeah.
and he finds a lamp.
Yeah.
So he rubs it and the genie comes out.
Mhm.
And the genie says, "I'm the genie of the lamp. I grant you 3 wishes, but everything you get, your partner gets double."
Yeah.
He says, "Okay." He says, "I wish for £10 million. So the genie says, "Boom, £10 million. But remember, your wife gets 20 million. So the man says, "Okay, I wish for a mansion."
Yeah.
And the guy says, "Okay, but remember, your wife, she gets 2 mansions." He says, "Okay." So he says, "Your third wish, what will it be?" He says, "I wish to be beaten half to death."
Awful.
Not really great around here, is it, for tree wires?
They're misleading them, aren't they?
Yeah, they look like a bunch of trees in there. Like, is that car got trees? Pretty round the behind there.
We could swim over.
Might be worth one of us just jumping over and then passing it all over. Bring the van down.
Oh, we're not far from where you originally said, Ryan. That pylon's there.
No.
Oh shit.
Oh shit. You're drinking one off,
Would be nice hammocking over the water.
Yeah, I like it. Your hammock sinks a little bit in the night
Yeah.
when you're moving around. Just end up your ass touching the water at like 3 AM.
Fishing there?
Yeah, I can see him jumping.
Oh yes. Let's get the fishing rods out.
You think Toby's fishing rod looks like a fucking sniper? Is it? Yeah, it's on the side of his back. Oh no, it's like that.
It's in me van.
What is it, a Barrett 50 cap?
Looks like a rifle that he's put together.
It's just a collapsible.
Yeah. What's that you got there, mate? It's a rifle I made.
It's a 50 cal potato gun.
What are you using that for? To assassinate the president.
What do you shoot out of it?
Spud. A whole spud.
Whole spud.
I feel like they're just pointless bridges.
Spud launcher. Oh, the old spud
Green,
launcher.
the spud launch.
Bud Muncher.
The old links down the old drain pipe.
Yeah, you can get one there. Even if you have two, you can. Two there.
There's one there, 2.
No, this one there.
So there's one there
Four.
along that tree, them 2 trees next to the water.
As long as we get our amps up.
Got our own bench. It's best bit.
Our own bench.
One and two.
Yeah. No, just off this tree, off that, like me and Harry did last time. Both went off that tree and then stopped that one.
At an angle.
What's the bench say?
What are you trying to do, Bass?
Tie it to that pitch nut, yeah.
Why so high? Right, tight there.
It needs to be high though.
It needs to be tight, doesn't it?
So high.
Look at that.
Yeah, it just needs to be tight. Give me a lot there.
So it's round.
Put it tight while you do it, bro.
You go tighter.
Yeah. I just put it tight there.
You go round 5 foot, yeah?
Yeah.
Then you bring it through that top.
And pull it through that last one.
The first night in a hammock. It was quite nice. Pretty cold though, as I didn't have a proper sleeping bag, just had a quilt, so I felt the coldness underneath me. Other than that, really comfortable. I'll definitely be doing it again. What a view to wake up on. Look down there, look. Hammocking right on the lake. Come on, man, show me how to chop that wood.
That wood, baby. Yeah, baby.
You always go against the grain.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Why's that?
You don't know, it's what got told.
I don't really know, yeah. Really
Surely you go with the grain, wouldn't you?
No, if you go with the grain, you're a fascist.
Why don't you bring a proper axe next time?
Well, what's up with this axe?
Looks like you got it out of a Kinder Surprise.
Oh, where's your axe?
Hello.
You go stand over there so the midges can get you then.
you just stick the full log in.
It
won't fit.
It will in the top.
You see that video of fucking that Youngblood and Ozzy Osbourne in London last week?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Good, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was great.
It was real good.
Didn't he do that to prove everyone wrong?
Did you not watch?
Like I've only seen that song and I thought it was quite good to be fair.
Did you not watch like the Blood Festival?
Nah.
Yeah, it's his own festival, isn't it? He's trying to make it affordable for people rather than paying stupid
Pretty
prices.
sick, man.
I think it's like 30 quid a ticket.
What Youngblood is or Ozzy is?
No, Youngblood. He's got his own festival.
Yeah, it's quite cool that.
Have you got?
It's good as well to be fair.
He's good.
Well, he did that song because everyone was saying he can't sing in that.
Star, he walks and talks
Really?
like it.
Yeah, he was saying that he's shit and all that, so he proved them all wrong by doing that on stage, controlling the crowd.
Fair one.
Look how many mozzies are out there.
And
That is awful.
That is pretty awful, that, isn't it?
Bushcraft Bill over here.
you know what it is?
Oh, got that. What's it now? What we got?
You're probably gonna have to nice.
I am a Jenga. Can't you suck up your coffee with these?
I would recommend it right now.
Why?
You're paying back in your throat. Yeah, do it.
Cardi Cola, do it.
It's meant to melt it in there.
Yeah.
I unzipped to get out there and I went the other way.
Oh, fuck's sake.
There's all that stuff.
Oh well, that makes them up now.
Morning!
I'm up now! Morning, guys!
Come in there,
Obviously, Big X support is massive in age, huge. That's why he's done the song Biggest to Largest. Because he's the biggest and he's the largest. Literally, he's fucking massive, mate. He's alright, isn't he?
I'm not even at half of this.
Right, fat cunt.
I'm absolutely stuffed.
Like, he's the definition of Texas.
Shout out to Adventure Foods. Big ups to Adventure Food.
Shout out to the
One more.
breakfast pack.
Porridge.
Or one more burger or something.
Yummy.
Delicioso. Delicioso.
I think this is my favourite one so far. Real cat.
Go again.
Have you seen the as I recall, right? Yeah. It's not that bad. Yeah. Hold the line there, yeah. You said the hand, you said that the fucking phone you want to know. Hold the line up. Yeah. Then push that way. Yeah. Yeah, just sit in there, yeah. Yeah. And then what you do with these sort of lows, slowly wheel it in. So like a fish swimmer.
We're in it.
Oh, lad. Wait. Cool. Two maybe. Try to serve it on with it.
Somebody said no, but
Oh my. Where are you walking?
You do that though, so say if I put King down, you can put King in the character.
I was hoping he was going to do it, pick up one, probably.
Mate, he's ringing me on a Saturday. Oh, you recorded?
Who's ringing you on a Saturday? What bloke?
No.
Scold me, leader mate. You got any informational facts for us?
That Hull has one of the biggest Tesco's in Europe. Fun fact. So that means we have way more crackheads in the car park of our Tesco's because it's bigger.
I meant about the trail.
Oh, this trail. Oh yeah, I'm Scout Leader Mike. Yeah, this trail was built by William Dufour, who was an explorer of the Royal Science Hall of Scotland.
Ah.
Yeah. But William was neglected because secretly he had a dark obsession with men's feet.
Men's feet?
Yeah, that's why they call this trail the foot fucking trail. He'd fucking feet down here. I don't think that tree land's a
Tree line.
tree line. I think it's Danners again, hasn't it?
No unauthorised vehicle beyond this point. Well, we are not a vehicle.
Yeah,
But I think we should go. Look at them, all camping on the edge.
Cool.
Can I see them?
Well, they got tents.
We've got tarp. Or, up there. That'd be pretty cool.
What?
Just climb up there.
I should actually tell you, I took my wife here to propose to her as well. This very spot. She said no.
Why?
It's not the right time. Hey,
What do you think about that out there?
good old hill carve.
Sling your hammocks up there. Nice.
Check out the trail walk. Check out the trail walk that I've got on. Look at that. Trail stand.
It's nice that. There must be another trail around here if they're coming this way.
Hey, right.
Come on then. Yeah, it's not much of a tree line down here. Come off it. Oh, there's even a little fire pit. And an electrical cable. I mean, it's a nice spot, but is there trees to get the hammocks on?
Nah. I think it might be best to stay there then. Trees here. Take a walk, haven't you?
So there's trees there. Tree there.
B2 bomber.
No.
Fuck a B2 bomber. What's that? That's fucking grade that fucking American got. Oh, like the big fucking stealth bomber. Stealth bomber.
Oh, that's mint, that one.
Yeah, did you get that?
Look at that, that was mint.
Cool. I'm going, oh, this is stone skipping.
Oh, that's a good one as well.
He's not only a park ranger.
Nice, yeah, lad work.
Hey. I'm on a boat. You can't stop me when I'm on a boat. It's trying to pull us to the left, trying to stay afloat. You can't stop me when I'm on my boat. Hey, hey, I make smile.
Oh, yeah.
When I talk to my mate, yo, everybody says, yo, that's broke though. Yeah.
What? Absolute.
Where's the man then?
Gone. I'm on a boat. A motherfucking boat.
Strong right there.
What?
Can you stop?
Yeah. Not strong yet.
I feel like once you've been on one leg, you've been on the
Like bored of them now.
Yeah. Just want to go fast.
We need an engine for that.
Yeah.
Let's get a dinghy with a motor.
Get a little rig.
A rib motor.
The water's not too cold either.
Pretty cold.
What?
Says pretty cold. He said it's not cold. And I said it's pretty cold.
Oh no, all aboard. Beep, beep. Driving in my car. Get his Stellas and let's fucking pop it. You imagine?
Should we try a fish? No.
You what?
Should we try a cast out?
Let's go a bit further out, mate.
Oh.
Look, it's just pulling us back in, you goose.
There's no one here.
We're only waiting for them to.
Absolute lemon curd. What are we doing? Why aren't we moving?
Where is tipping us? You think that's funny? I can't swim.
I thought you'd be like a sea lion, but
Got your fucking badges that you're in swimming.
you're not aerodynamic, but
Kellogg's
you can
broken
move.
If you can swim in Woodford, you can swim in any current.
Can I cast out now?
Just get away. Look behind you.
Get away from where?
Mark, you're only going to drink back in. And I got to pull my line back in. And then the rod's comfy there. I'll tell you what though.
What are you telling me?
Look at that little house. Is that house right?
Okay. Can I cast out now?
Yeah, gives me fucking rod then. Give me that beer. Toby, you fucking melon.
We're going down with a sinking ship. We've popped it. With an hook.
You see those? We just spinning on. Bit windy, innit?
That was a shit cast. Come on, fishy, fishy, fishy. Can you see your lure?
Yeah.
Not that deep, you know, because you can see the water reflections from the bottom.
Yeah, it's not that deep, you can see the water.
Reflections from the bottom.
If you are in it.
It's pretty fucking deep, man.
Conclusion.
Can you stop splashing, please? Disturbing the peace.
What's it going down?
He's thinking.
Oh, never.
No, like the full boat has actually gone down.
Oh no. Mine went down when mine got in it. Hello.
So close.
Not far off though then.
I reckon you did a good run up at it.
A good run up at what?
Your mum.
Between peanut butter and jam.
Can't peanut butter my fucking chocolate, you know, yeah.
Yeah, peanut butter and knowledge over there.
But you can jam it in.
Jam it in.
Jam in. Go pop the jam. Your arm's not tired yet.
Machine, mate. Machine. Man, Stacy.
He's trying to warm up before he drops himself in, isn't he?
Spice and spice.
Little axe at there. Little axes.
Got the axe.
Good. That little shake of the hips and that. Fell.
Good model that.
You ready, Lou? You have to do it.
Yeah.
Tub. Matty, last chance to strip. I feel a little weird right now.
room spinning in the boys. It's just me and Barry walking into it. Harry, the stud.
Hey guys, my name's Harry. And I like camping. Kayaking.
Kayaking.
Camping, kayaking and shagging.
Yeah, that's a sick shot. On the side as well. Jets off.
Gang.
What's happening? We recorded. Just do all
You now look like them TikTokers that do the dances.
We do, don't we?
Get his ass out.
We do.
You've become that guy.
We do.
No, dance.
Dance.
Dancing.
Dance on it.
What is that?
It's sexy. Good idea, that. Candy. Let me be your candy. Gemma. What is it? Gemma, I want to be your. Van's going to be piping.
Fan or pan?
The van. You get it?
I got something. You whittling away.